Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, did you just get home? Did you just come home?
Yeah, I come home. I come in 5 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah. I asked Mia if you're already home. But she said you usually, yeah, yesterday you came home at 7. All right, that's good. That's good that you're already home.
Yeah,
Oh, maybe if you'd like, maybe we can change your schedule to Saturday because you usually have, are you busy on Saturdays? Maybe
yeah.
it's a better schedule for you than weekdays. Because I have an open schedule here. What if we change your schedule to 9:30? Are you busy at 9:30 on Saturdays?
9:30.
Is it too early for you?
Not only, but I let me check,
Ah,
and
okay.
I tell you later.
Yeah, yeah. Because you usually are busy on weekdays. Maybe it's better for you to have classes on weekends. Right. Yeah, yeah. But as long as you can still attend the class, yeah, so that won't be a problem. All right. So how are you,
Okay,
Evelyn? Yeah, I almost forgot your English name. Yeah, you're good. You're good. So how was your work? How's your work?
my it's quite busy now. Quite busy
Mm-hmm.
recently. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I I have to overtime and I have to work at weekend.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Even on weekends you still work. Okay.
Yeah, this Saturday I have to go,
On a business trip again?
yeah, a business trip, but I can come back in Saturdays.
On
It,
Sunday, on Saturday.
it's on Saturday. Yeah,
Oh, really? So you have a business trip on Saturday, and at this on that same day you can still go back.
yeah.
Ah, okay. So it's not far. It's still in the same city.
In the another city, but not
Ah,
far, but not
okay.
far.
Oh, that's good. That's good. All right. So, what made you busy in your work today, these days? What made it a bit busy and yeah. Why do you need to go on overtime?
Because I have many works have to finish, and in company I don't have enough time to finish this work, and I have
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
uh,
Why do you not have enough time to finish your are those paperworks that you need to finish? Computer in the computer?
in the computer. It's not paperwork. It's a computer.
Computer. Ah, okay.
I have to contact with my client, and I have to write some report.
Mm-hmm. Do you usually have meetings with your clients? Do you have meetings
Yeah.
with your bosses?
Mondays I have a meeting.
Uh-huh.
And Friday had a meeting. Weekly, weekly.
Weekly.
And
Okay.
sometime have meeting.
Yeah.
Uh, yes.
And
Uh, one day have one meeting.
oh, so once a day? You have meeting once a day? Once a day? Or not every day? Is it every
Once,
day?
yeah,
No.
every day. I
Almost every day.
oh,
Maybe almost.
almost every day.
Yeah. And how long will the meeting take? Or
Uh,
how long does it usually take to finish your meeting?
it usually spend 1 hour.
Uh-huh.
to one for a meeting, but sometimes it's much more longer,
Yeah. 2
2 hour.
hours. That's why that will also take up your time. Instead of doing your computer works, then you need to focus on the meeting. You
like
need to attend the
like
meeting. Mhm.
like yesterday, yesterday afternoon, I have to uh I I have to a meeting that last 2 hour and 30 minutes.
Oh, that's quite long. Uh-huh. And that will take up much of your time. That's why you won't be able to. So weren't able to finish your task.
Yeah, sorry.
That's why you weren't able to finish your tasks in the company. Do you usually take your job or your tasks or your the things that you need to do at home? Do you still need to do them?
Yes, sometimes uh
Um,
I have to translate some document and
Translate.
yeah, from Chinese to Vietnamese or Vietnamese to Chinese, and
Oh,
they are urgent, so I
uh-huh.
have to work at home.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. I understand it. That's why. So, yeah, I think that is the usual scenario. Even, yeah, I remember when my husband also works in a company, he also brings some tasks at home. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
All right, so we're going to continue our lesson. I think we have this one. Yeah, so we finished this one last time, right? Now we're going to have this topic, a student discussion. Okay.
Oh,
So
sorry. This is B1 or B2.
this
This
is
listen
this is B1.
B1.
Yeah,
Okay.
the last time that we use is also B1. Do you want to
Okay.
move to a higher level?
No, 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 no. B1 is
It's it's just right. B1
sometime
is just right.
I yeah, that's right. I realize the B1 have some difficult for me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And that's why I think this is just right for you. If we go a lower level lower than this, I think that will be too easy for you. So maybe we can have this one. So a student discussion. So we're going to listen to two students comparing Mars and Earth to practice improve your listening. Okay. So let's do the preparation task first. So then we're going to listen. So which words or phrases we use for talking about difference? And which words or phrases for talking about things that are the same? Difference. They're different. We use
If
those words to talk about the things that are the same. So when
if
do we use both? For difference or the same things?
the
Both.
both same thing,
Same.
uh,
Okay. Similar.
same thing.
Same. To share. Yeah,
Share.
they share. They share something. Are they different or the same?
I think difference.
Okay, for example, we share the same personality, or you and Mia share the same personality.
Personal.
You and Mia share the same skin color. You share the same skin color. So are they the same or different?
The same. The taste the same.
The share is the same. To have in common.
To have in common, I think the same.
Mhm. Whereas
Well, different,
different. But
but also different.
while
Right, different.
different. All right. Are you sure now? Or do you want to change your answer?
Mm, Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All your answers are correct. Okay. So whereas, but, and while, we use them to talk about things that are different. Yeah. And we use both similar, to share, and to have in common. To share and have in common are just almost the same. Yeah. Actually, you can use these words in talking about, in comparing things. Okay. Comparing is telling something that are the same. Comparing. When we compare things, it means we're telling about their similarities, the things that are the same. But when we contrast things, we tell the differences, right? That's why we have contrasting and comparing. Comparing is for similarities, and contrasting are for differences. Okay? All right. Now we're going to listen to the audio here, right? So we will listen first without the transcript. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll try to understand it without the transcript first. Okay. Ready now? It's for 3 minutes. Okay. Let's start.
This recording is from the British Council.
Okay, so you've got a few minutes to discuss with your partner.
So, as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can both support human life.
Yeah, but do we know that's actually true? I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? It says here it's about minus 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth, only places like Antarctica get that cold.
True. Well then, I suppose you could say both planets are a similar distance from the Sun.
No way! Mars is much further away. It says here it's about 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 150 million.
Yes, but in space that's not that far. Jupiter is like almost 780 million kilometres. That's why we use astronomical units when we talk about distance in space. Earth is 1 astronomical unit from the Sun, and Mars is 1.3. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at it that way.
I see what you mean. Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets?
Let's see. Not the colour, obviously.
Yeah, Earth is called the blue planet, and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reasons.
Their sizes are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of Earth.
What about this? It looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Earth's day is 24 hours, but Mars's is about half an hour longer.
You're right. Okay. Any other things they both share?
I suppose you could say they have water in common.
Could you? How?
Well, Earth is 70% water, and Mars probably had huge oceans in the past. It's just that most of the water there now is probably frozen.
Ah, I see. I don't think we can say the air is the same, though. Most of Earth's air is nitrogen and oxygen. But Mars...
Mars doesn't really have air, not compared with Earth. It's got about 1% as much air as Earth.
Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide.
Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the Moon. But it's much less than on Earth, of course.
Oh, yes. It says Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity.
Okay, let's see what you've found.
This recording is from the British Council. To find more activities to practice your...
All right. Do you understand it?
I can't I can't hear anything. I got some keywords, but it's not
Uh-huh.
enough to for me to understand this.
Yeah, and yeah, there are lots of information. You won't be able to remember everything, right? All right, so we'll try to read it. So there's a teacher, student one, and student two. So we're just going to role play this one. Okay, so I'll be the teacher and you'll be student one. Okay, I'll be the teacher and student two. So you'll be student one. So you've got a few minutes to discuss with your partner.
So as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can both support human life.
Mhm. All right, I just want you to practice pronouncing this one. Similarity. Yeah, so if you're,
Similarity.
yeah, similarity. Okay, so to make
Similarity.
it more clear to your listener, the main similarity. Okay.
Similarity.
See, okay. Yeah.
Similarity.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's better. But do we know that's actually true? I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? It says here it's about minus 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth, only places like Antarctica get that cold. Oh, so the
Well
Mars
then,
is cold. Okay.
yeah, I read that. True. Well then, I suppose you could say both planets are a similar distance from the sun.
Okay. Do you have any questions up here? Here on this part? Do you understand
Yeah.
this part? So
Which
Mars is minus 55 degrees. Do you understand it? The minus 55 degrees. It's negative 55. The temperature in Mars is negative 55 most
I
of the
don't
time.
understand. Minus 55 degrees. What I
Yeah.
say?
Yeah. So minus 55 degrees, it's the temperature in Mars. It means it's negative 55. It's too cold in
Minus.
Mars. It means it's too cold in Mars. It's negative 55 minus 55. This one.
Oh,
It's negative 55
minus
degrees.
is mean
Maybe this is Celsius. Degrees Celsius. Yeah. So minus 55 degrees is usually in Antarctica. Do you know Antarctica? Of course you know Antarctica. It's it's usually
Antarctica.
frozen, right? Antarctica is frozen, right? It's too cold in Antarctica. So they compare Mars to Antarctica. Mars is usually 55 degrees. Negative, I mean negative, minus 55. Yeah. So it's negative. It's too cold. So they compare it to Antarctica. That is really, really cold.
Antarctica is split in North Pole or South Pole.
Antarctica. I'm not sure. I'm not good in geography. But Antarctica is usually really cold here, right? Antarctica.
Okay.
North Pole. Yeah, it's in the North Pole. North Pole is usually really cold. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why they compare it to Mars. So Mars is like this most of the time. All right. So yeah.
I suppose. Suppose. What does it mean? Suppose.
Suppose, I think, I
I think.
think, yeah. I think you could say they are similar distance from Sun. No way. Mars is much further away. It's much far. It
Much
says
for
here, yeah, further is far. It says here it's about 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 150 million. Okay.
yes,
Yes.
yes, but in space that not uh that far. Jupiter is like almost 700 18 million kilometers. That's why we use astronomical units when we talk about distance in space. Earth is astronomical
One is one.
is the one astronomical unit from the Sun and Mars. is 1.3. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at it that way.
Okay. Okay. Do you understand it?
Sorry, I don't
Yeah.
understand.
So it says here the student one is saying that s-
I
um
think both planets are similar
distance from the
distance
sun.
from the
Yeah.
sun.
He said that they have the same distance from the sun, the Mars and Earth. But student 2 said Mars is
No,
much further. It's much further. It's far
no,
because it says she's using 228 million kilometers, but it doesn't work that way because when we talk about places in the universe, we use the astronomical units, which is a bit, if you look at that way, if you use that unit, there isn't much difference between the distance between Mars and Earth from the sun. So they're almost the same distance. Okay. So, all right. I see what you mean. Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets?
oh, let's see. Not the color of the earthly,
Obviously.
obviously,
Again. Obviously.
obviously,
Yeah. Do you understand it?
obviously is exactly
Not the color. Obviously. Obviously, it means you can easily see it. Yeah, it's obvious. You can see it with your eyes. Obviously. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Earth is called the blue planet and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reasons. Obvious reasons, clear reasons. You can see it. Yeah, with your eyes. Yeah. The color are obvious. All right.
their size are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of Earth.
Yeah, their sizes are pretty different. Do you understand? You have any questions about it?
No, I don't
Okay.
understand.
What about this? It looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Earth's day is 24 hours, but Mars is about half an hour longer.
No, you're right. Okay, any other things they both share?
I suppose you could say they have water in common.
Could you? How?
Well, Earth is 70% water and Mars probably had huge oceans in the past. It's just that most of the water there now is probably frozen.
Oh, I see. I don't think we can say the the air is the same. Those most of Earth's air is nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars
This is nitrogen. Nitrogen.
nit nitrogen and
Okay.
oxygen.
Oxygen. But Mars? Okay. I don't think we can say the air is the same though. Though. It's the same though. Okay. All right. Mars doesn't really have air. Doesn't really have air. Not compared with Earth. It's got about 1% as much air as Earth.
Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide.
Dioxide. It's dioxide. Mhm. Oh, so it's not good, right? Carbon dioxide. We don't breathe carbon dioxide, so it's not good for our health. Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the moon, but it's much less than on Earth, of course. Oh. So
Oh,
Mhm. Yeah, it means that when there is less gravity, so that means that we will be
I
lighter.
can jump higher.
Yeah. Yeah, we can jump higher and we will be lighter. Right? We'll be
Yeah.
lighter in Mars. If we if we weigh if you maybe if we weigh 50 kilograms here, we will be lighter, lesser in Mars. Oh. Okay. Oh, so yeah, your turn.
Oh yes, it says Mars has about 30
30.
38% of Earth gravity.
Yeah. Usually we use percent, not like this. We don't usually write this one. So maybe they write per and cent in British English, right? If you notice they're using British English. But in American English, it's up to you if you're using British, but when you use British English, you have everything should be British. But if you use the American English, everything should be American. Okay. We have to be consistent. So this one is the spelling of in British English. This one is the American English. Okay. So when you write, you have to be consistent, right? Especially in business English, in business setting. Okay. Okay, let's see what you found. All right. Do you have any questions about it? I think this one is much easier. Right? All right, we still have 2 minutes. Let's try to answer this one. So listening, yeah, you have to give the ideas, to arrange or sort the ideas. Which
Mhm.
one is for Earth and which ones are for Mars? Mm-hmm. Used to have
Used
water.
to the Mars
Mars has
has the Earth.
Earth has more air.
And uh, uh, I I forgot.
Has
I
more which one has more nitrogen and oxygen than carbon dioxide? Because
Earth.
yeah, one of these has more carbon dioxide, so it's Mars. Okay. It's closer to the sun.
Earth
Earth.
equal Mars
Mm-hmm.
has stronger gravity. Earth
Uh-huh.
is 15% smaller. Mars
Mars is 50%.
has a longer day. Earth
Oh, are you sure? And has more air?
has more air. More
Oh,
air.
you already answered this one, right? Which one has more air? Mars or Earth?
Earth.
Earth. Oh, you have, yeah, this one. Mars has a longer day. Yeah, or do you remember? They have
Can
30 minutes.
can it going up? I
Yeah, here. Mm, yeah, it looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Almost the same length, but Earth day is 24 hours, but Mars's is about half an hour longer. So they have 24.5 hours.
half an
Yeah.
hour.
Yeah, just half an hour, but they're just almost the same length. All right, I think it's already time. We're going to continue our lesson on Sunday. I hope you can attend the class on Sunday. What do you
Okay, okay.
think? You will be able to attend. Okay, just let me know.
Sunday.
Just let me
I'm
know.
not.
Mm.
I'm not sure Sunday.
Okay, just let me know 2 hours before our class if you can or can't attend. Two
Okay,
hours
okay.
before. Okay. All right. So thank you. I'll see you again. Goodbye.
Thank you. See you.
Mhm.